step on the gas pedal. You step on it like this.
Stay in there, Gib.
Don't put your foot on top of it like that, okay? Go ahead, step on it now. See?
Oh, you figured out what the problem was?
Oh, because he puts his, and his toes are in between it.
Oh. Watch Mommy's car. Watch the well.
This way. Get back on the road. There you go. You gotta steer it though, huh? Okay? You gotta turn it and stay on the road.
Good job, man.
Watch Mommy, watch the road.
Don't look for Lila either. Yes.
Now watch the road, okay? Take it around back now, okay? Go ahead, step on the pedal. No. Hey, stop. No feet up there like that. You gotta go like this. You have to go below, otherwise your feet stop from working. Okay? Go ahead, step on it now. There you go. You
Good job. Turn the wheel to the left a little bit. Turn it to the left.
To the left, Ben. Ben, turn to the left. Turn the wheel